What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be teaching you the best and most simple option strategy in the world. I'm also going to be showing you some trades that we took using this strategy. Let's get right into it. So right here we're looking at SPY. SPY is the S&P 500 index. When most people trade SPY, they are trading options contracts on SPY. Options contracts basically mean that you can profit on the price going either up or down. When you buy a call option, you're expecting the price of the stock to rise, and your call option will increase in value as the price of the stock goes up. If you buy a put option, you're expecting the price of the stock to drop, and your put option will increase in value as the stock goes down. This strategy uses gap fills to give us an idea of where price is likely to go. You might be asking me, what is a gap? A gap is simply the distance between where price closed and then where it opened up the next day. Let's zoom in so you can get a clearer look of how to identify these gaps. Right here, you can see where price closed on Tuesday, and then you can see exactly where it opened up on Wednesday morning. The gap is the distance between the close of this buying candle and the open of this next buying candle on Wednesday morning. You can see we also have a gap right here. We have a gap here, and then we have a few more gaps. I want you to pay very close attention to how closely price comes to these gaps. Right here, you can see that price opened up above this gap, and then it targeted a previous gap, literally to the exact cent. And then once price broke above this gap, it targeted this next gap. Gaps are great because they give us very good targets of where our trade or where price is likely to go. For example, right here, you could have gotten to a call option on SPY with your idea behind the trade being that price is likely to come up and test this gap. The reason you'd be targeting this gap and not this gap is because price is already in an uptrend, so you'd be expecting this uptrend to continue. You could have held that position overnight and then you would have woke up the next day with profit. Same thing could have happened here. You could have identified that we're in an uptrend and then you could have targeted this next gap. With this strategy, I like to combine trends and gaps. A trend is super simple. A trend literally means the direction that price is moving. When you're looking at an uptrend, you want to see lows and you want to see higher lows, and then you want to see higher highs, just like this, higher lows, higher highs. Ideally, you're able to get in on a trade on these higher lows so you can capitalize off this little decrease in price and then profit off the rise. And a downtrend is literally the exact opposite. Highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and just like an uptrend, you'd be trying to get in on these little pullbacks of the trend. There's a little bit more that goes into finding exact entries and exits using this strategy. I go into that fully in the premium courses. If you'd like to join the premium community, you can join using the link in the description of this video. Now I'm going to go over some trades that we took using this strategy. Our options analyst uses this strategy and he incorporates this into all of his trades and analysis. So this is our full profit and loss report from last week from 8/12 to 8/16. So right here you can see that we had a lot of winners. All these gainers are winners. And we actually had 12 wins and no losses, right? So I think we have one trade that's still a swing trade and we're still waiting for it to play out, but no losses, so 100% win rate, which is very nice to see. If you don't know, a 60% win rate is incredible. So anything over 67% is really good. Now I'm going to show you some profits that our premium members were able to make from these trades. These trades were all sent out in our options alerts right here. So premium members were able to follow along on all of these. Right here, you can see that my man Cypher Booze made a quick $218. My man Gavin made $825. My man JM made $1,800 trading futures. My man Grant coming in with $681 on his first time ever trading futures. He was following my futures game plan. Every single day, I send an exact game plan to all of our premium members, letting them know the exact trades I'm looking to take and what I'm expecting price to do for the day. I also include a picture of my chart so they can make sure that they have the correct levels. My man Cartier 4K made $1,000. He says, "Thank you, RP Profits. You're a fucking legend." His strategy is so fucking legit. People love my strategy, and the reason everyone loves my strategy is because it's so simple and it makes them a ton of money. I'm not saying that my strategy is the only strategy that works, but what I am saying is that my strategy is the simplest strategy I've ever seen. People are literally able to learn it so quickly and then immediately start making money. My man Cypher Booze with some more profits. My man David with $1,600 in profit. He said, "That's what we do." Bigger Stud growing his small account. He's up 11% in one day, which is nice. If he just keeps compounding his account like this $500 account will be multiple thousands of dollars in a few months. My man Darius made $2,164 in 27 seconds. I want to talk to you all about Darius for a second. Darius just bought his first car and moved into his first house. He was able to pay for this purely from his trading profits. And the best part about this is that he is only 18 years old. I'll show you the Tesla he got in one moment. I Am Legend with a nice $100 profit. My man Bugleman is growing the small account. He made about $100 in a day. Jupiter made a quick $87 on one of his first ever trades. As you guys can see, we have people in the premium group that have all different account sizes. Some people have $300 in their account, some people have $300,000, right? So we have all different types of traders, different account sizes, different experience levels. That's one of my favorite things about the community is that oftentimes I'll go into the chat and I'll see a beginner ask a question, and then I'll see somebody who's a little bit farther ahead answer the question, and then they're both able to learn and grow. So this is my man Darius right here. You can see that he bought the Tesla. This gets me so hyped, so I'm super excited. You can see his name right there. And that's awesome, guys. That's what it's about, guys. It's about making money and then using that money to improve your life. And the fact that he was able to buy his first car, and a really nice car at 18, is a huge, huge accomplishment. He also moved into his first house. This is my man Nick right here with about $718 in profit off of these options alerts. My man Mikey made about $1,000 trading futures with me. My man Glitch said he's trading on the small account and he made about $100, which is really nice, guys. I mean, making $100 on your small account, I don't see any problem with that. I think that's really good. My man Mikey with another $760 in profit. Dizzy to Goat made $548. He said that my game plan is on point. My man Xavier, he's one of my lifetime members, so he actually gets access to a one-on-one mentorship with me. So I was talking to him about this strategy that I've been using, and he used it, and he's making some money, so I love to see that. My man Jay Benji made about $2,700 between both of these trades. Darius is absolutely killing it. Darius is making about $40,000 a month from trading, and he's literally an 18-year-old kid. This is the power of having the right information, guys. I know there's some of you watching right now that are in school and that do not want to be in school. If you learned how to trade the right way, you could do exactly what Darius is doing and make thousands of dollars per day and live life completely on your own terms. My man Trippy said that this was his first ever week with us, and these are his profits, so it looks like it went pretty well. Kanza with a nice options trade, up 362% with $442 in profit. Mikey making some more money, I love to see it. Memo made $800. Elite Edge Financials with a quick $124 off of one of our options alerts. Oh No Auto made a quick $120. You can see that he bought it for $240, sold it for $360. Profit is the difference. My man Winston made a nice $343 in one day. The nice thing about these options trades is that you can literally make money overnight. You can buy them one day and you can wake up the next day and you will look at your phone and you will be in profit. Gotham had some nice profits on one of our option signals right here. You can see that he's up $224. So a lot of you ask me how much money you need to start trading. I will tell you right now. You can start trading with pretty much any amount of money. What will determine if you make money or if you lose money is if you have a good strategy or if you don't have a good strategy. Everybody in the premium group has complete access to an entire course, hours and hours and hours, going in depth on my strategy. Since they know my strategy, they're able to make their own trades using my strategy. You can see right here that Boom Headshot turned $300 into $2,846 in only a few days. He said, never thought trading like this would be possible, but it's possible. That's what we do. I love to see things like this because it shows you when you have the right strategy, it does not really matter how much money you're starting with. Your problem is not that you don't have a lot of money. Your problem is that your strategy sucks. Even if I gave you $1 million, you still wouldn't be able to grow this money because you don't know when to enter and exit trades. My man George made $566 following one of our option signals. Winston said he had a great week. He made $735. He said that he kept the losses small and the winners big, which I love to see. So that's what we do, guys. We make money. If you want to make profits like this, you can join the premium community by clicking the link in the description of this video. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all soon.